Moses Wetang'ula founded Wetang'ula & Company Advocates in 1984, establishing a distinguished legal practice for over 40 years. He served as a nominated Member of Parliament in 1993 to 1997 and later as MP for Sirisia in 2002 to 2013. His cabinet roles include Assistant Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister for Trade, the Chair of the AU Peace and Security Council from 2013 to 2022. He was a Senator of Bungoma County and also served as a stint of the Senior Senate Minority Leader. He's now the National Speaker of the National Assembly, and the Kenya Kwanza is currently serving as Speaker of the National Assembly of Kenya. Professor Kivutha Kibwana, advocate and certified secretary, studied law at the universities of Nairobi, London, Harvard, and George Washington, specializing in constitutional law and jurisprudence. From 2003 to 2007, he was Member of Parliament, Cabinet Minister, and President of the United Nations Climate Change Convention, COP12. Subsequently, he served as presidential advisor to His Excellency Mwai Kibaki and later as a governor of Makueni County. He has been named Jurist of the Year by ICJ Kenya and inducted into LSK's Roll of Honor. For 25 years, he was a lecturer of law, dean and associate professor at the University of Nairobi. He is currently a professor of law at the Daystar and Catholic Universities.
Patrick Lodge Otieno Lumumba.
Patrick Lodge Otieno Lumumba is a professor of public law, a holder of the LLD on the law of sea from the University of Ghent, Belgium, holds a postgraduate diploma from the Kenya School of Law, bachelor's law or master's law degree from the University of Nairobi. Patrick Lodge Otieno Lumumba holds an honorary degree of Doctors of Letters, D.L.I.T.T., from the University of Cape Coast in Ghana. He also holds a degree in the Doctor of Science from Bells University of Technology in Nigeria. He has been trained on human rights as an Institute of Advanced Legal Studies, University of London in England, humanitarian law at the Raoul Wellbank University of London, Sweden, and an international humanitarian law in Geneva, Switzerland. He is an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and Tanganyika and a certified mediator.